Back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to strengthen your network wherever you find yourself, whether you are in a network scarce zone or places where network doesn't really reach. So keep watching this video, and you definitely have to thank me or drop a like after watching this video. So when you head over to Google Play Store, just type XVPN right away, and make sure you install this app. Make sure you install this app. So after you install the app, you open it. Now this works like magic. Okay, it works like magic, very authentic and reliable. So for the first time when you download this, the UDP here is on auto. Yes, it's on auto. The first time you download it, it's on auto. So change it from auto to UDP. Change it from auto to UDP, and that is all. You can connect to this VPN now. So after you connect to this VPN, your network will be very fast. Your internet connection will be very fast. So try this. When it works for you, don't forget to drop a comment as well, so the others can also know that it's really reliable. Don't forget to share this video to friends who are also suffering in zones where there are no networks. Thank you once again for watching this video. Catch you up in my next upload.